In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a tag page to link content to it. So up until this point, I have shown you how to create a folder in Remnote. I asked you to name that the Examine Life. I also showed you how to import documents into Remnote. I showed you how to create headings within Remnote, and the last video before this one, I had you create a page called tag page as well as our first tag page. So the next step is to make use of this tag page while making notes about the readings that we're doing. So as an example, let's go here. And in this paragraph, Alfred and Van Dorn basically make the point that is captured in the tag page that we created in the previous video. So what I'm going to do here is hit return and tab, and then I'm going to hit the left square bracket and then going to hit that again, so twice, and this pops up, and then I'm going to type TP to search for my tag pages. There's only one created so far, so it's highlighted, so I'm going to hit return. Now I'm going to go back to the main page, the Examine Life page, and click into this other reading where I have just a paragraph from it. And here too we have a statement from Seneca that is more or less in line with the one that we just saw in the passage from Alfred and Van Dorn. So again, I am going to do the left square bracket again, type TP. This is the one I want from the tag pages. I don't want this one. This was the one that I just applied to the Alfred and Van Dorn reading. So I want the one that has tag pages as its heading. I'm going to hit return. And now when I go to this tag page and scroll down, we'll see those two references to those two separate readings. So if I were to decide to write something on this particular topic, about this particular idea, then it would be easy for me to find the passages relevant to that idea.